Have you ever heard of something moving so fast it's literally escaping its own galaxy? No, I'm not talking about a sci-fi movie spaceship. I'm talking about a real-life, supermassive black hole, and it's on the run at a staggering 2 million miles per hour. This isn't just a wild theory. Astronomers have actually spotted it, and it's one of the most mind-bending discoveries in recent memory. Picture this: a galaxy, far, far away, going about its cosmic business. Then, suddenly, one of its most massive residents, a black hole, millions of times the mass of our Sun, gets kicked out. It's now hurtling through intergalactic space, leaving behind a trail of newborn stars that stretches for an unbelievable 200,000 light-years. To put that into perspective, that's twice the diameter of our entire Milky Way galaxy. How is this even possible? What could possibly give a black hole, the universe's ultimate heavyweight, such a powerful kick? Well, scientists have a fascinating theory, and it involves a cosmic game of billiards on an unimaginable scale. Let's dive into the story of this cosmic fugitive. Astronomers using the Hubble Space Telescope were actually looking for something else entirely: globular clusters, which are ancient, dense groups of stars. But as they sifted through the images, they noticed something odd, a faint, straight line that just didn't look like any known cosmic structure. At first, they thought it might be a cosmic ray hitting the detector, a common glitch. But when they checked other images, the line was still there. It was real. This wasn't just a random streak. It was a trail of cosmic breadcrumbs leading back to a distant galaxy. At the very tip of this incredible trail of stars sits the culprit, the runaway supermassive black hole. As this behemoth plows through the gas clouds in intergalactic space, it's creating a shock wave, a bit like the bow wave a boat makes as it moves through water. This shock wave compresses the gas, triggering a massive burst of star formation in its wake. So this black hole, an object we usually associate with destruction, is actually a creator, leaving a nursery of new stars behind it. It's an unbelievably beautiful and violent process happening all at once. The trail is so bright and so distinct that astronomers have nicknamed it the Runaway. So, what could launch a supermassive black hole with such immense force? The leading theory is a spectacular three-body interaction. Imagine not one, but two galaxies merging. This is a common event in the universe. When galaxies merge, their central supermassive black holes will eventually spiral towards each other. Over millions of years, they dance a gravitational tango, getting closer and closer until they form a binary system to supermassive black holes orbiting each other. Now, let's add a third player to this cosmic drama. A third galaxy comes along and merges with the newly formed larger galaxy. This introduces a third supermassive black hole into the mix. What happens next is a chaotic and powerful gravitational encounter. It's like a game of celestial slingshot. The three massive objects interact violently, and in this complex gravitational dance, one of them gets ejected with tremendous speed. The most likely scenario is that the two original black holes formed a stable pair, and when the third one fell in, it disrupted everything. In this cosmic shuffle, one black hole was catapulted out of the galaxy entirely, while the other two likely merged into an even bigger black hole at the center of the newly combined galaxy. This discovery is groundbreaking for a few reasons. First, it's the first direct, observational evidence of a supermassive black hole being ejected from its host galaxy. We've had theories and simulations that predicted this could happen, but seeing it with our own eyes is a whole different ballgame. It confirms that the centers of galaxies can be incredibly dynamic and chaotic places. It's not just a stately, slow evolution. Sometimes it's pure gravitational mayhem. Second, the sheer length and brightness of the star trail are astonishing. It tells us that the space between galaxies isn't completely empty. There is enough thin gas out there for a runaway black hole to interact with and spark star formation on a galactic scale. This gives us a new way to study the conditions of the intergalactic medium, the tenuous material that fills the vast voids of the cosmos. Think about it. This black hole is acting like a probe, lighting up the darkness between galaxies and revealing what's there. The numbers involved are just hard to wrap your head around. A speed of 2 million miles per hour means this black hole could travel from the Earth to the Moon in about 7 minutes. It's been traveling for roughly 39 million years since it was ejected, and, in that time, it has covered a distance so vast that light itself takes 200,000 years to cross the trail it left behind. The black hole itself is estimated to be about 20 million times the mass of our Sun. It's a true monster, and it's moving at about 4,500 times the speed of sound. So, what happens next for this cosmic wanderer? It will continue to travel through intergalactic space, likely forever. It will never be captured by another galaxy's gravity. It's destined to be a lonely nomad, forever drifting through the cosmic void, its trail of young, blue stars slowly fading over billions of years as they age and die out. It's a poetic, almost lonely fate for such a powerful object. This discovery also raises some intriguing questions. How many other runaway black holes are out there? Are we just seeing the tip of the iceberg? It's possible that the universe is filled with these invisible fugitives, silently cruising through the darkness. Finding them is incredibly difficult, because a black hole on its own is invisible. We only saw this one because of the spectacular stellar trail it created. There could be countless others that are unplowing through gas, and are therefore completely hidden from our view. This finding is a testament to the power of observation, and sometimes pure luck. The astronomers weren't looking for a runaway black hole, but their curiosity about an unusual streak in an image led to one of the most exciting discoveries of the year. It reminds us that the universe is always full of surprises, and there's so much we have yet to learn. Every time we point our telescopes to the sky, we have a chance to stumble upon something that could rewrite our understanding of the cosmos. From a chance observation to a galaxy-sized mystery, this story is a perfect example of why we explore. What do you think about this runaway black hole? It's a wild thought that objects of this magnitude can be just thrown around the universe like this. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the wild side of astrophysics, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our universe. See ya in the next one.